Yes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Dell monitor without USB receiver. If you find the solution of your problem, then watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content. If you want to connect Dell keyboard without USB receiver, then you will need to follow some steps. You can connect this with Bluetooth. So first press the connection button twice on your mouse and keyboard until the connection mode light turn on, indicating that the second button connected is selected. The connection mode light blink for 3 times, indicating your mouse or keyboard is in the pairing mode. The second Bluetooth connection light start blinking to confirm that the pairing mode is enabled. Pair your mouse or keyboard with the Bluetooth enabled computer. In Windows search type Bluetooth, click Bluetooth and other device settings. The setting window appear. Ensure that the Bluetooth is turned on. From the other device section, click Dell mouse or Dell keyboard. Confirm the pairing process on both the mouse and the computer. The connection mode light turns solid. Wait for a few seconds to confirm the pairing, and then the light turn off. After your mouse and computer pairing is completed, the mouse connect to the computer automatically when the Bluetooth is enabled and the both devices are within the Bluetooth range. That's it. These steps is also suitable for the keyboard if you want to connect your keyboard with the help of Bluetooth. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.